so it's already 11:35 p.m. na guys. So I'm gonna bring my Longchamp na bag. Ito guys, yung gagamitin natin. And tulog pa guys si Loris. So iwan natin siya later. Para may zipper guys, kaya ito yung gagamitin ko. So ito guys yung organizer. Lagay ko yung link niya sa baba. And it's very very lightweight.
Okay, hi everyone. It's already 7:60 na guys. So, makadilim na namin dito sa Baguio City. And from Cabanatuan to sa paanan ng Baguio guys. Bale, parang ano na siya eh. Parang La Union na gano'n. Ako yung nag-drive. So, 2 hours. Mahigit ako nag-drive. Tapos, 1 hour from sa Mintuan namin. Papunta dito si daddy na guys ang drive. Kasi sobrang sakit talaga sa ulo ko. Hindi ko alam siguro. Ay, ito. Wait lang. Ayan. So, nandito na kami guys sa McDo. So, we're gonna eat burgers. Tapos, egg dosal and our coffee.
Colors brighter, sky so blue. On this road with you.
Ayan guys. Nandito kami sa University of Baguio. Tapos nakapark kami dito sa parking nila. Bait na nila Kuya Guard kung park kami. Kasi dyan yung errands namin mamaya sa mismo University of Baguio.
I feel so free. Every turn's a
Okay, hi everyone. So, andito tayo sa University of Baguio. So, meron tayong errands for today. This trip is balikan from Cabanatuan to Baguio, guys. So, umalis kami around 3:10 ng madaling araw kanina, guys. And then, ako yung nag-drive from Cabanatuan to La Union. 2.5 hours yon, and then 1 hour from La Union to Baguio si daddy na guys, kasi medyo ganun na guys yung daan. And then after that, nagpark kami dito guys. Napakabait nila Kuya Guard kasi pinagpark kami. And then his exam will start around 9:30. So dumating kami around 7 o'clock guys. So from 3:10, 7 o'clock kami guys dumating dito sa Baguio. And before anything else, so I want to share with you guys my errands bag for today. Ito siya guys. Tada! This is the Longchamp bag. I think this is in the size medium. Ito siya guys. Ayan. So last time din na nandito kami, sinare ko din yung laman ng bag ko guys. And yun lang kasi guys yung office, so hindi tayo pwede masyado maingay guys. And so yun guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung laman ng bag ko. And konti lang kasi guys yung ibang things ko nasa sasakyan, especially yung mga hindi masyadong important, no? So syempre first, nag-breakfast kami kanina, so nag-take out ako ng cheesy egg dessert from McDo. This is my ultimate favorite breakfast sa McDo aside from their pancakes. And then, andito yung Orashare ko na power bank. Bunutin ko lang, nakasaksa kasi sa phone ko guys. This one, this is 20,000 mAh. Tapos meron na siyang lightning, tapos may type C na siya. Gusto ko yung Orashare na to guys, na power bank, kasi guys pwede niyang i-charge yung multiple devices ko. Pwedeng sabay sa cellphone ko, sa iPhone 13 Pro Max with the iPhone 13 Pro Max ko, and then yung type C naman pwede kay daddy, tsaka dito guys sa DJI ko. So love na love ko tong Orashare na power bank. It's very handy and it's very durable as well. And next one, yung pouch natin. So nandito yung gamit ko from Ito yung pouch ng Boya ko, pero nilalagay ko dito yung gamit ko ng DJI, yung mga accessories na kasama, yung mga mic, yung tripod, tsaka yung mga attachment niya guys. So, dito ko nilagay. And then, I love this one. This is my new case guys. So, lalagay ko din yung link nito. Ang difference nung case ko before, may ganito na akong case guys. Napakita ko na sa inyo yan. Ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3 ko guys, na creator combo. So, meron akong ganito guys na bili sa online and then wala siyang ganito yung bilog na cover. Parang hanggang dito lang siya. So, ang tendency, pagka nilagay sa bag yung ganito guys, mapipindot siya. Yun yung disadvantage nung dati kong ganito. Kaya I got this one. May cover siya hanggang dito sa pindutan guys. Wait lang, check ko lang. Nag-chat si nanay. Check ko kung gising na si Demi Loris, my daughter. Ayan, tulog pa siya guys. Ayun, andito din sa kanyang phone ni dad. And then guys, andito guys ngayon yung mga attachment dito. And then, next naman natin is alcohol. My perfume from Christian Dior. This is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Ang galing ito guys kasi refillable to guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, ito siya guys. So, itutusok mo lang to dun sa pinaka perfume nung Dior. Alisin mo yung takip niya. Tapos, itutusok mo lang to dun. Tapos, ipapump mo na siya. And then, you're good to go. And then, next natin guys ay ang wallet ni dad. So, nasa akin din ang wallet ni dad. Next natin ay ang aking ultimate pouch. Nandito guys yung eye drops ko, yung mga oil bulario ko guys. Like yung white flower. White flower. Bala guys, nahilo pala ako kanina. Sumakit yung ulo ko after ko mag-drive. Hindi ko alam, siguro sa mata ko yon. Pangalawang beses nito nangyari. Last time nag-drive ako hanggang Pangasinan. Pauwi. Ito siya guys. Meron white flower and efficacy oil. And ito ko din nilalagay itong near ko. Tama ba? Nearby tamang bigas. So ito guys, yung apple cider candy na pwede siya maka-food suppressant. Especially sa mga people dyan na malakas ang cravings. And then after that, meron tayong eye drops. And then next is ito pala yung Belgesic ko. Bumili pa ako kanina. Yan, kasi masakit yung ulo natin guys. Tsaka may nail cutter din dito. So, this is my very important pouch. So, every time nagpapalit ako ng bag, hinuhugot ko lang to. Mahalaga kasi guys yung eye drop sa akin. And then next is my alcohol. So, meron tayong smaller version, tsaka may full size tayo. Full size daw, medyo bigger version na lang guys. And then meron tayo nito, kasi guys si daddy yung pinapatak sa CR para pag nag-poop ka mabango. Mabango daw. So, meron tayong wipes. What else pa? So, we have tissue. And then, we have a smaller refillable liquid soap. And my wallet, my card holder, ball pen, and this is what you call the feminine wipes, guys. This is from Lactomedi. And it's very, very gentle, especially on your feminine area. And it really does its work like magic because it cleans your vajayjay down there. Para ka nagwash ng water with feminine wash. Alam mo yun, once you wipe it, especially after you pee or whatever, if you have period, you wipe it using Lactomedi, guys. Ang fresh alam mo yun, ang clean mo, girl. Kahit nag-wipes ka lang. So, and then my coin purse pala, guys. And then I do have my notebook. Kasi may mga isusulat tayo, guys, later. And then, my lipstick or lip bullet from Dior. This is the lip case, guys. This is the Dior Addict na lip case. Pink. May black ako nito, tsaka gold. And then this one yung shade na dala natin. I forgot the shade, guys. Pero ito na lang siya. Ganyan na lang siya, guys, kahaba. And it's very, very nourishing sa lips. Especially if you have a chapped lips. Napakaganda nito. Meron siyang tint as well as nahahydrate niya yung lips mo. And I think that's it. Sorry, forgot my earphones. So, ito earphones ko, guys, yung may cord. Kasi I'm not a fan of wireless earphones, especially yung mga earpods. Kasi baka malaglag, girl. Hindi ko mapansin which else na, diba? I'm gonna show you my bag organizer. I have my shades pala from Baobab. This is my favorite shades, guys. And ito siya, guys. So, this is my back organizer. Di ba nakita nyo, hinila ko lang siya, guys. Pinul ko lang siya kasi meron siyang hawakan dito. Unlike nung ibang organizer ko, guys, wala siyang hawakan dito. So, once you pull, ang bilis lang niya. Tapos, lipat mo na lang sa susunod na bag mo. Again, I think this is in the size medium or small. I'm not sure. Pero this is from Zaytuho. Ito siya, guys. Tingnan nyo na lang. And then, I'm gonna link their website kasi guys pinadala nila sa akin to. I'm so blessed kasi pinadala ako ng bag organizer na sobra namang napakagaan, napakanipis. It really does its job sa mga bag na ganito. Kasya to, guys, nga pala dito sa medium size ko na Longchamp, tsaka dun sa LV ko na yung smaller version ng Neverfull. Yun, guys. And then ganito lang siya ibabalik. Mabilis lang siya, guys, ibalik. Tingnan nyo yung ginagawa ko. Kasi, guys, ang problem with this Longchamp, pagka wala siyang organizer, bumubukol yung mga gamit sa side, sa paikot ng bag dito, bumubukol siya. Nagiging bulky, tsaka hindi siya maganda, guys, tingnan. Kaya, tsaka ano siya, guys, walang pocket inside yung Longchamp. So, when you put your things, lalo na kung wala kang pouches, medyo magulo siya tingnan, tsaka mahirap. Especially pag ganito na medyo dark yung bag mo. Lalo na pagka madilim, mahirap hanapin. Kaya gusto ko yung mga bag organizer ko, lighter color, para kapag nasa madilim or walang ilaw, mabilis ko makikita yung mga gamit sa loob. And, yun na nga, guys. So, that's it. Those are the things na nasa bag ko. And I'm gonna update you guys later kung ano yung ganap natin today after our errands here in University of Baguio. Yeah. So that's it. Basta 100 pesos. Okay, hi everyone. It's already 8:43 na, guys, ng gabi, and we're home, safe and sound. Arot, guys. So, by the way, guys, ano ba yan? Ay, maayos ang gimbal natin. Okay. So, ayan, guys, nakauwi na kami, and medyo haggard the verso na 8:44 na, guys. So, ayusin ko pa yung gamit ni Lilis because she's gonna go back to school tomorrow, and I'll prepare my things, and may work na tayo ulit bukas, guys. So, back to work na si Inday. And that's it for our vlog. And see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!